Today I show you how to disable the Wi-Fi on your iPhone in case the Wi-Fi is not connecting properly, or you want to make sure you're connected even when you're moving through different areas. With Wi-Fi you might connect to one Wi-Fi network, then you lose signal if you're on the road in a car. So I have Wi-Fi enabled now, and if I want to disable it, I open the control center and then I have this option here, Wi-Fi is off. I can do the same from the settings app. Open the settings and you have the Wi-Fi, and there is a toggle for Wi-Fi. Turn it off and now it's off. If you want to put it back on, you can re-enable it and it will automatically connect to a network, or you can join a new network. You can tell the Wi-Fi is on by this sign there. That's the Wi-Fi on, and now the Wi-Fi is off, but the mobile data, the cellular data is on. And if you don't have even mobile data or cellular data, then there is no sign, just these bars. These bars mean that you can receive calls and you can make calls, but most of the time you want to have at least Wi-Fi enabled. But if you don't want to have any network internet, if you don't want to have any internet on your iPhone through Wi-Fi or mobile data, this is a way to have it. Thanks for watching.